Welcome back, all of you. So let's do the discussion about the SQL join. Basically, understand why we use these joins first of all. So the SQL join is used to fetch data from two or more tables, which is joined to appear as a single set of data. As we know, basically we will use the joins when we want to pick the data from two or more different tables but visualize that data in a single format. Single format in the sense, I want to take the example of your report card. Your report card is the combination of multiple different datas like the marks. Marks will be saved by the teachers in the different table. The other table which we will use to prepare the report card is student information. So all the students information like your name, scholar number, phone number, father's name, mother's name, DOB, these all the data is stored in the different table whose name is student info, and the marks stored in the different table whose name is students marks. Now when we prepare the report card, so at that time we need to merge both of these tables. Okay, we want to display it in a single table only. So in the simple language we can say, by the use of joins we can create a virtual table. Mark my words, the virtual table which is not situated anywhere inside the database, but when we perform the joining, that table will be visible on the screen and display the data from many other different tables. Okay, SQL provides us these 5 type of joins: cross join or Cartesian product, we can say, equi join or inner join, third is outer join, fourth is left join, and fifth is right join. Now first of all we will discuss about the cross join or the Cartesian product. Look at here on the screen, the cross join or Cartesian product. Actually it is seems like the mathematical multiplication of two different equations. Look at here, this type of join return the Cartesian product of rows from the tables in join. It will return table which consists of records which combine each row from the first table with each row of the second table. Look at here, the general structure of cross join is select column name list. Column name list means all the name of columns from first table, from table 1, table name 1, after that cross join table name 2. Okay, here is the example of cross join query will be select asterisk from class. Look at here, the class table is here, it is the class table, cross join class info, it is the class info table. Now look at here how it will produce the output and how it will perform the cross joining. As I told you, in this the rows of first table or the rows of first relation, you can say, will be multiplied by rows at the second table. Okay, so look at here, in the second table we are having 1, 2, 3 ID and Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai. In the first table class we are having ID 1, 2, 4 Abhi, Adam and Alex. Now look at here what will happen. It will merge both of them merge both of them like 1 Abhi, 1 Delhi. It will create this as a single row. This one and this one merged as the single row in the cross join. After that, the same row, it will pick one row from the second table and perform its cross joining or multiplication from each and every row of the first table. Look at here, 1, 2, 4. Here also, it is displaying 1, 2, 4. Abhi, Adam, Alex, and it combined with 1, all IDs 1, Delhi. It means first of all, it combined all the entries in table class, means 1, 2, 4 ID. These are the entries in table class by class info's first row. This first row will multiply by each and every row of previous table. Okay, first row of second table multiplied by each and every row of the first table. After that, when it will perform, now it will select the second row of second table, means the Mumbai address will select it. Now this second row will multiply by each and every row of the first table. Look at here again, 1, 2, 4, Abhi, Adam, Alex, ID 2 this time. Here the ID was 1 and the location is Mumbai now. Previous location was Delhi in all the rows. Then similarly it will happen with the ID 3. Okay, so it is the cross join. I'm going to run a quick example of cross joining. So look at here, I am going to use the table which is already created. So show tables S1, S2, students, PCVN and employee. So select asterisk from employee, data is here. Now I am selecting students PCVN, select asterisk from students underscore PCVN. Okay, data is also here. So let's perform the cross joining. So for cross joining, what query we need to write? We need to write the select. If you want to merge all the columns, then asterisk. After that, from class cross join and second class ka name. Now I am going to run it. So look at here, select asterisk from first table. Our first table was employee. Then what we need to put? We need to put the cross join keyword. Cross join space name of second table. So our second table is students underscore PCVN, termination, and hit enter. So look at here, in the second table we are having two datas, two rows, Harshit and Harsh. So this Harshit and Harsh merged with each and every record of previous table. Okay, ID 1, ID 1, ID 2, ID 2, ID 3, ID 4 and ID 5. So it is the cross joining. Okay, thank you.